pamilya namin, purong Pangasinense. May nag-asawa at bumukod, may nagtayo ng negosyo sa mga baybayin. Pag nagro-road trip kami, hinibisita namin si ate. Malayo man, malapit pa rin.
Wherever your love lives, wherever it is you call home, there are over 25 Forest Lake Parks in key locations throughout the country. In Pangasinan, there are 5 parks to choose from, one closer to home, so you are never far from those you love. It's one of the many reasons why Forest Lake is a better place.
Kahit wala na si ate, nararamdaman ko pa rin ang pagmamahal niya.
Forest Lake, a better place.